you're probably gonna fall because...
Yep, I was right, and it did not only fall, it temporarily handicapped my GoPro, and everything I said after this just was not picked up at all. It broke my GoPro, basically. Anyways, welcome back to another episode. The goal of this one is to make it to Steamboat Springs, Colorado by the end of the episode, but in order to get there, I have to drive through evil Kansas.
Back in the most evil state.
Which is my least favorite state, and I've given it more than enough chances to redeem itself. Last time I drove through, I almost crashed my car.
I almost just went into the ditch.
And it may or may not have been my own fault, but it was also Kansas's fault. So there's that. Every other time I've driven through, I've either been stuck in a sandstorm, blown across the state by 100-mile-per-hour winds, or caught in a scary thunderstorm. Enough about Kansas, though. This episode is filled with lots of boring highway driving, truck stops, gas stations, and a mishap or two.
My windshield just got a massive crack in it.
But it is also filled with stunning drone shots, endless windmills, the Rocky Mountains, and much more. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sydney, and I've been living and traveling the country in my SUV since last year, and I'm finally headed back out west to start my new road trip. Let's kick this episode off leaving the heart of Missouri.
I also wanted to mention that the weather is cooperating for me to drive right through the Rocky Mountains, so I'm very, very thankful for that. Kansas might be a little bit windy, to be determined, but compared to my last video, it is just so warm. It feels like spring. It's about to feel like spring, and that is exactly what I need when I am driving across Kansas and into the Rocky Mountains. Oh my god. Back in the most evil state in the country. Stay. I've been driving about 2.5 hours and I just passed back into Kansas, which is my least favorite state. I've given it chances to redeem itself and it's failed every time. Hopefully the next 5 hours go smoothly. Hopefully it's not too windy. I think I'm gonna pull into Casey's real quick, use the bathroom and fill up. Guess I'll carry on. Okay, I just made it onto I-70. I got 3.5 hours left and 257 miles. What do we have here? Oh my goodness. I will say that Kansas has actually been perfect so far. It's starting to get so that you can see for miles without any trees or really anything. Right now there's just some hills. Oh my gosh, we have so many helicopters. I'm not an expert on those, but they look cool. I have an update for you guys. I just went and used the bathroom and I didn't realize that the water didn't work. They had a sign, I just didn't see it. So I have a really soapy hand that I have to take care of. Also, the wind is picking up, which I'm not happy about. But gotta wash this off of my hand. hands are all soapy. Okay, it's time to continue. It is so hot out right now. But look what I found. World's largest check egg. I've been here before with my friends a couple years ago, and it's kind of sad that they're not here with me. This was fun. Time to go again. They have so many gas options here, and I get confused on which one to pick half the time. I have about an hour left. I can't get over how beautiful this is. Look at this. I just am taken aback. Wow, this is one of my favorite shots or moments ever. Not ever, I'm just kidding, but oh my gosh. Guys, look. Camera can't do justice, like always, but whatever. Okay, I turned my big camera on. I don't know if it's gonna capture the wind. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but this is nuts. Aw, there's the sun. It says I have just under 5 hours to go to Steamboat, but I do need to shower and go to the grocery store before I do that, or go there, so yeah, I have a lot of time on my hands now, which is good. I don't want to be rushing, so yeah. Ah! Oh my god, I can see the top of the Rockies! I don't know how I didn't notice this until just now, but OMG! Guys! Can you see? Oh my gosh. This is the first thing I've eaten since lunch yesterday, which is really bad. Wish me luck in there. That was brutal. I actually worked out. I'm trying to be better about that, but yeah, I was in there for quite a while actually. This is what's left, and I'm gonna go to Walmart on the way.
Head north.
What the? Do you guys see those boobs in the back of that person's car? There's no one here. They sell 30s. I wish they had bags. My windshield just got a massive crack in it. Holy sh**. Oh no. I acquired the repair kit that I'm gonna have to do tonight probably so it doesn't spread. Okay, I have about an hour left. Look how beautiful all this snow is. Hopefully you can see me okay. I don't know if it's in focus, but I made it to my destination. I'm on a school ski trip, an alumni ski trip. So I'm gonna get to see a bunch of my friends, which is gonna be super cool and fun and awesome and epic and swag, and I can't wait. I made it here in one piece, minus the windshield, which I will repair since I got a kit. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.